Manufacturers in our region in southwestern Pennsylvania are growing. The market opportunities for the kinds of products and services that we have are very strong, and we're seeing business growth in a lot of different sectors: automotive, aerospace, defense, medical, and so forth. To support that growth, manufacturers need more capacity, more capability, which requires oftentimes a higher skilled workforce or even just a higher volume of workers. That is one of our biggest challenges that we have right now in southwestern Pennsylvania. Our unemployment rates are very low. There aren't as many job seekers, out there. And so we are competing with each other and with other industries to find those skilled and qualified workers. I think robotics and automation in manufacturing is helping in two different ways. One, of course, is it's keeping us globally competitive with other manufacturing companies throughout the United States, throughout the world. We're able to provide higher quality parts, more efficient, more effective. And it's helping us with solving some of our workforce challenges. So maybe we may not need as many people in manufacturing, but the workers that we need will have to have, or do need to have, the skills to program, maintain, operate this very sophisticated equipment. That makes these workers very valuable, which makes them high-wage jobs, which in turn has a greater impact on our regional economy.